Hey everyone, and welcome back to Journey in English. I'm Mike, and today we're diving into something that makes many English learners nervous. Small talk. You know, those casual conversations you have with strangers in elevators, with coworkers by the coffee machine, or with your neighbor when you're getting your mail.
That's right, Mike. Oh, hi, everyone. I'm Lydia. But here's the thing. Small talk isn't really small at all. It's actually huge for building relationships and feeling confident in English-speaking environments. So let's break it down together. So what exactly is small talk, Mike?
Well, small talk is light, casual conversation about safe, non-controversial topics. Think of it as the social glue that helps people connect before diving into deeper conversations. Or sometimes it's just a friendly way to fill silence. You know, so you don't feel uncomfortable.
Oh, I get it. I do it all the time.
Let me give you the tried and true topics that work almost everywhere. Here's the first one. Weather. Yes, it's a cliche, but it works because everyone experiences it.
Crazy weather we're having, isn't it? I can't believe how hot it is today. Looks like rain is finally coming.
Wow, those were some great examples, Mike.
Thanks, Lydia. Let's look at another one. This time, we're going to see what we can say if we were at a coffee house or an event like a seminar or meeting.
This line is moving so slowly, isn't it? Yes, it is. Have you tried the coffee here before?
Now, what can we say at an event?
Great turnout for this event, right?
Great small talk examples, Mike. So, what if we have holiday plans or when we're talking about the weekend?
Oh, no problem. Listen up.
Any fun plans for the weekend?
How was your holiday?
Doing anything exciting this weekend?
Again, some great examples of small talk about the weekend or holiday plans.
So there's one area we haven't touched on yet. How about work and school? Many of our viewers are in these situations, so what can they say in these circumstances?
You're absolutely right, Lydia. Here are some phrases.
How's your day going so far? Busy day?
Almost Friday.
So now we've let our listeners listen to some small talk phrases. Let's listen to some typical scenarios.
Great idea. Imagine you're waiting for an elevator at your office building with a coworker you don't know well. Listen to how this might go.
Morning, how's it going?
Good, thanks. You?
Not bad. Thank goodness it's Wednesday, halfway through the week.
I know, right? This week is dragging.
Tell me about it. At least the weather's nice today.
Yeah, perfect day for a walk at lunch.
Good idea. I might do the same. Well, here we go. Have a good day.
You too.
That was awesome.
Wasn't it? So, for everyone listening, let's break down the conversation we just heard into 5 actions.
Greeting plus check-in.
Morning, how's it going?
Shared experience.
Tell me about it. At least the weather's nice today.
Agreement and validation.
I know, right?
Future suggestion.
Perfect day for a walk at lunch.
Polite closing.
Have a good day.
Those tips were awesome, Mike.
Well, here are some more tips for our listeners. Let's take a look at some practical phrases our listeners can use starting from today.
So first, we're going to listen to what we can say as a conversation starter. The theme is the weather.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Can you believe this heat?
Perfect weather for taking a jog.
What a gorgeous morning.
This weather is crazy, right?
That was great. So when we're in a conversation with someone, we often agree with them. Let's look at some phrases that show this.
I know, right?
Tell me about it.
That sounds nice.
I hear you.
That's so cool.
Those were some great, often used phrases. Now, how do we end a conversation? Let's look at some examples.
Well, I should get going.
Have a great day.
See you around.
Good talking to you.
Let's chat again next time.
So now that we've looked at some phrases at the beginning, middle, and end of a conversation, I think it's important to give our listeners a cultural tip.
Great idea. What's your cultural tip, Mike?
Well, here's something many English learners don't realize. Small talk isn't really about exchanging information. When someone asks, "How are you?" they're not expecting your life story. It's more like a social ritual that says, "I acknowledge you as a person and I'm being friendly."
I think that's a great point. Even if you're having a terrible day, small talk isn't the place to share that, unless you know the person well.
Exactly. So I think this would be a good time to share some common small talk mistakes to avoid.
Absolutely, let's go.
Mistake number 1, getting too personal too quickly. Don't ask about someone's salary, relationship problems, or health issues during small talk.
Mistake number 2, controversial topics. Avoid politics, religion, or anything that might start an argument.
Mistake number 3, oversharing. Keep your responses brief and positive. Save the detailed stories for closer friends.
Mistake number 4, not reciprocating questions. If someone asks, "How was your weekend?" make sure to ask them back.
Now it's your turn to practice. I'm going to give you a scenario, and I want you to pause the podcast and practice out loud. Don't be shy. This is how you build confidence. So you're in line at a coffee shop, and the person next to you just ordered the same drink as you. What would you say? Here's what I might say. Good choice. That's my go-to drink here too. Have you tried their pastries? Notice how I 1. Started with a compliment. 2. Found common ground. 3. Asked a follow-up question to keep the conversation going.
Wow, that was great advice, Mike. Why don't we give our viewers and listeners a challenge for this week?
Great idea. What are you thinking, Lydia?
Well, for this week, I challenge everyone to initiate small talk 3 times. It could be with a cashier, a neighbor, someone on public transport, or a coworker. But remember, start simple. Be yourself. Don't overthink it. It's okay if conversations are short.
Awesome reminders. Well, that's a wrap on today's episode about mastering small talk. Remember, every native speaker started somewhere, and even we sometimes have awkward small talk moments. The key is to keep practicing and stay relaxed.
Very true. And yeah, if this episode helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more natural English lessons. And hey, here's some small talk for you. How's your English learning journey going? Let us know in the comments below. Maybe there's something in particular you need help with? We'd love to help.
I can't wait to read those comments, Lydia. Well, until next time, well done, everyone. See you later.
Bye, everyone.